Structured query language. Statements are used to perform various operations on data stored in a database. These operations can be broadly categorized into different types based on their functionality. Here are the main types of statements along with their detailed descriptions. 1. Data Definition Language, DDL. DDL statements are used to define and manage the structure of the database objects. Create, used to create database objects such as tables, indexes, and views. Create table employees. Employee ID int. First name varchar, 255. Last name varchar, 255. Birth date. Hire date. Alter, used to modify existing database objects. Alter table employees. Add email varchar, 255. Drop, used to delete database objects. Drop table employees. Truncate, used to delete all records from a table without removing the table structure. Truncate table employees. Rename, used to rename database objects. Rename table employees TO staff. 2. Data Manipulation Language, DML. DML statements are used to manipulate the data stored in database objects. Select, used to retrieve data from one or more tables. Select asterisk from employees. Insert, used to insert new data into a table. Insert into employees, employee ID, first name, last name, birth date, hire date. Values 1. John Doe, January 1st, 1980, January 1st, 2020. Update, used to modify existing data within a table. Update employees. Set last name equals Smith, where employee ID equals 1. Delete, used to remove data from a table. Delete from employees, where employee ID equals 1. 3. Data Control Language, DCL. DCL statements are used to control access to data in the database. Grant, used to give users access privileges to the database. Grant select, insert on employees to user 1. Revoke, used to remove access privileges from users. Revoke select, insert on employees from user 1. 4. Transaction Control Language, TCL. TCL statements are used to manage transactions in the database, ensuring data integrity and consistency. Commit, used to save all changes made in the current transaction. Commit. Rollback, used to undo changes made in the current transaction. Rollback. Save point, used to set a point within a transaction to which you can later roll back. Save point 1. Release save point, used to remove a save point from a transaction. Release save point 1. Set transaction, used to specify characteristics for the transaction. Set transaction read only. 5. Data Query Language, DQL. DQL statements are primarily used to query the database and retrieve data. The main DQL statement is select, used to query and retrieve data from one or more tables. Select first name, last name from employees. 6. Utility commands. These commands are used for various administrative tasks. Describe, used to display the structure of a table. Describe employees. Explain, used to obtain information about how statements are executed. Explain select asterisk from employees. Understanding and using these statements effectively allows for comprehensive management and manipulation of data within a relational database management system.